Welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to consider this Olympiad Maths challenge. We have here if 3 to the power of a squared minus 10a plus 25 factorial equals 729 to the power of 4. We had to find the value of a that will satisfy this equation here. First, I put down here solution. I bring the question down here. 3 to the power of a to the power of 2 minus 10a plus 25 factorial equals 729 to the power of 4. First, the first thing we need to consider here is to make sure that both sides of the equation have been expressed in the same base. We have a common base of 3 here. Then in that case, we are going to express 729 in base 3 as well. Then the equation becomes 3 to the power of a to the power of 2 minus 10a plus 25 factorial equals 729 to base 3 will give you 3 to the power of 6. Then multiply it by already existing power of 4. Then here we simplify this further. We have a 3 to the power of a to the power of 2 minus 10a plus 25 factorial equals, here we multiply these powers out. We have a 3, 6 times 4, that gives us 24. And now, since both sides of the equation is being expressed in the same base, we are going to equate the powers. Then here we have a to the power of 2 minus 10a plus 25 factorial equals 24. Now the next step here, we have the left hand side expression in factorial. Then we have 24 here. And we are going to rewrite this 24 in factorial as well. Note that 4 factorial will give us 24. That is 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. If you multiply this out, you have 24. Therefore, now you are going to place 24 with 4 factorial. In that note, the equation becomes a to the power of 2 minus 10a plus 25 factorial equals 4 factorial. Then here now, factorial will cancel out factorial, and we have now that a to the power of 2 minus 10a plus 25 equals 4. This is quadratic. Now we are going to rewrite it into normal form. This will be a to the power of 2 minus 10a plus 25 minus 4 equals 0. Then here we have a to the power of 2 minus 10a plus 25 minus 4, that will give us plus 21 equals 0. Now we are going to apply factorization here. Now come to the constant here, which is 21. Look for 2 possible factors of 21 such that when you multiply, you give you 21. Then when you add up these 2 same factors, you have minus 10 here. Now, so let these factors be minus 3 and minus 7. If you multiply this out, you get plus 21. Then if you add these same two factors, you have minus 10. Then open two brackets like this, equate it to 0. This is a square. Insert one a here and insert another one here. Then introduce each of these factors into each bracket. You can decide to put minus 3 here, and you can decide to put minus 7 here. Then it is either this equals 0 or this equals 0. Therefore, we have that a minus 3 equals 0 or a minus 7 equals 0. Therefore, a equals 3 or a equals 7. And these are the possible values of a that will satisfy this given exponential equation right here on the board. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more math solutions. See you in the next video.